How to change app location permission on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to location. Here you can see the location option. Tap on it. Now by default toggle off the option, so toggle on it. Now here you can see the app permissions. Tap on it. Here you can see apps with this permission can access this device location. Here is the allow all time, allow only while in use, or not allow. You can see the three different setting you need to allow permission on your device. Here is the three application in my device allow the all the time to access my location like Bixby, Google or weather. But this is allow only while in use. So whenever we open this application, it will access my location. To change this location or specific app location, just tap the application. Here you can see the location access for this app. So here you can select allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time. So whenever you open the application, it will ask you to allow location permission or don't allow to turn off the location for this specific app. So select the application or option you want to set to change the location permission on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. You can also see specific application permission to see all Google permission. Here you can see the all permission for a Google like a calendar, call log, contact, location, camera, all permission of specific application using this setting. That's it. If you like it, share it.